In this digital world, we access several websites on a regular basis, and we also provide our personal and credit card information on some of them to get the things done. Did we ever check if the website has taken enough security measures to safeguard our data? One way to safeguard the data is by activating HTTPS on a website, which secure the data that transfers between the user's web browser and the application web server. Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's try to discuss about HTTP and HTTPS and the importance of HTTPS for data security. First, let's try to understand HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP acts as an application layer protocol over which the data is exchanged between a web browser and a web server in the form of plain text. As the data is not encrypted, it becomes easy for others to intercept the communication. If someone intercepted the communication, they get access to all that is exchanged, which may even include sensitive data like name, address, phone, email, credit card information, etc. Also, with HTTP data exchange will also take time, as non-encrypted data has to be filtered, cached, and scanned before it is transferred or received, which obviously makes the communication very slow. These are some of the details about HTTP. Now let's take a look at HTTPS. HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, and the name itself states that instead of acting as an application layer protocol, it uses separate protocols called SSL and TLS for data exchange. SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer. TLS stands for Transport Layer Security. Data is encrypted due to these protocols, and the data exchanged between web browser and web server is secured. As the communication is secured, the data is simply tunneled directly to the user, making it fast compared to HTTP. These are some of the key details about HTTPS. With these being discussed, we may have a question about the web security. Can we assume that a website accessed using HTTPS protocol is 100% secure? No, not at all. HTTPS encrypts only the in-browser based internet activity. But all non-browser based internet activities like API calls can still be intercepted and breached, which need to be secured separately. I think these details will help us understand the importance of HTTPS over HTTP when we talk about web security. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.